Jeff, the day trade mechanic. My neighborhood trading buddies came over this morning for a little visit, so we'll see if we can make some money today. See if we can make a little fish money. Would you like that? Maybe a little milk money? You're pretty quiet. Well, let's see what we can do. Good morning. Well, the pressure's on now. Hey, since Jackson Hole, we're just about to open. I'm looking at AMD for some fish trading today. Ground rules of the fish trades are 100 shares max, looking to try to book $25. And we're off and running. So I don't like to trade right at the open, and I get this 15-minute chart up, and I want to get rid of the pre and post market data, extended hours trading session. That's what TRS calls it. So I'm going to sit and watch for a while, and I'll be back. Okay, I've kind of flipped over to Amazon here. We are just about 12 and a half minutes into the day, and everything's down, of course. So I'm watching this on multiple time frames. Okay, I might look to get long some at around 114 for the first lot. As a matter of fact, let's just stick that out there. We're just about to close this 15-minute candle. We got 30 seconds, 40 seconds. I'd like to see another thrust down to 114 and then just bounce, which is actually what has happened. Okay, we're 15 minutes into the day, and I've been picked up at 114. So let's see if we can get this to bounce up to 114 half or higher. I'm going to bring in a 5-minute because I think it's a little bit more. See what I'm seeing here on the 5? I like that. We have hit half. What was the high of this candle? 68. I'm going to pause this. We got a lot of dead air. Okay, we've been, it's been a few minutes. We're starting to try to bottom on the 5-minute chart. We're about 7 minutes from 10 o'clock. Bring in the spiders here. Qs. Everything looks kind of the same. Let's change this over to 5. There's a chance that we're starting to bottom. Who knows in this market? Amazon's dipped back under 114. Okay, little update here. It's 10 o'clock, and we're down about 50 cents here on the trade. So we'll see what happens. SPYs and the Qs both look similar to Amazon, of course. Let's change this up to 5 minutes. I think we're just going to have to sit tight for a while. Maybe another 15, 30 minutes, who knows. Well, we've only got 25 shares, and
I'm not going to add to this at this point. So I'll pause this and we'll come back in a few minutes. Okay, I might try to pick up another 25 at 50 here. I may have missed my chance. I'm liking the 5-minute candles here. If we don't get this fill, it's not that big a deal. I like the volume that's coming in. So see if we can have some follow through to the upside here. Going to cancel that. So far we're not getting any follow through. If I decide to add, I could probably get this lower. Low of this candle's been 52. Here's the spiders. Here's the Qs. Now the Qs aren't looking so hot. Well, let's just sit tight. Sit tight and see what happens. I will pause this. Okay, quick update. It's almost 10:17. We've put in our first green bar of the day, but we're just moving slowly. Slowly. So I don't know. This may be something we just get out of it at break even and see if we can feed the cat next week. Because the spies had put in a green 15-minute candle, and now they're red, and I think the Qs are the same. Yeah, the Qs may be a little stronger. Nothing's very strong, though. We're just about back to 114. I think I'll give this a little bit more time. Probably would have been nice if I'd got that ad down there at 113.5, but I didn't get it, so we'll trade the shares we got. I don't know if I could get this to 115. I mean, Amazon will get to 115 eventually. I don't know if it'll do it today. I'd like to get to 115, obviously, but take what we can get or take a scratch or small loss. Well, I just don't like this. You know what? I think we're just going to see if we can salvage this here at break even. Bring in the 5. 5's just not strong either, and the 5's starting to put in a little bit of a tail. I can see this rolling over. Okay, we're back to break even here. That may be the... you know what we should do here? Let's just put in a stop, especially if we could get a little bit of bounce. We'll put in a stop about 114.05. If we could get this up another dime or so, get a little bit of a lift here. At least it wouldn't be a total loss. I think the most I've been up on this trade was as soon as I got into it. I think I think we got up to about 114.5. And we drifted lower ever since, of course. Yeah. Okay, new 5-minute candles here. So much for our little push. Very, very frustrating. Very frustrating to be a bull in this market these days. Okay, this is close enough for me. It stops going in at 1406. Now we'll see. We'll let this run. See if we can get this up to well, 114.5 probably wouldn't be out of line. I think we do get it up to 14.5. We'll raise our stop, and we may just take the whole trade off too. That would be half of the fish goal, which today and this week might not be too bad. I'm going to raise that stop up to 21. Where have we been to? We've been to 43. We maybe get stopped out here. Yeah. So we made $5. 20% of the goal, but at least it wasn't a loss. I'm going to show you something that I can do with the platform here. Let's bring back in a 5-minute chart, and I can show the orders. I can show the trades. Let's see how we've been in this trade for a while. For some reason that's not showing. Change symbols. Okay, here we go. So we got that little bubble in there right here. Let me pause this, see if I can get rid of that real quick. Okay, here we go. We'll just get rid of that high-low bubble there, just for now. Yeah, so I got in here at 114, and I know on this candle, whoops, I know on this candle we were 114.5, if not higher. 114.68, yeah. And then we drifted lower, and I did try to pick up another 25 shares down here at 113.5. I'm not sure where. And then we just took the stop here at 114.20. I guess we only took 1 cent of slippage. So we can't complain about that. So $5 profit on another crappy day in the market. So I think I'll wrap that up for the day. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Until next time, this is Jeff, the Day Trade Mechanic. Thank you for watching.